Hey yo, what is up with you intelligent people? I'm Mr. Sicko, and today again I will be showing you another killer famous screener that you could probably find the best stocks that are out there. Okay, the market is closed, so we're gonna be taking a look at the like Friday's volume and all the other good stuff. Okay, so make sure to stick around with me till right on the end because then we're gonna be take a look at them on trading view and all the other good stuff. So let's get straight into it. Okay, first of all, what we want to do is we are going to be going on finviz.com and then we click on screener. Okay, you go and do that, or you can go ahead and just type in finviz.com/screener. I think that it will pop up if you do that. No, then you need to type in dot dash or something like that. Okay, screener, you go on finviz and you type in screener. Okay, so just like that. Then what do I prefer to do? Is just I go and click right here on all. I don't only have the descriptive or nor the fundamental. However, I have all the like here the filter to be on all. Okay, so as you can see, like if you did everything right, you will have five columns right here. So when I will be going over these filters, I will also be showing you what they mean and all the other good stuff. Okay, so first of all, what I personally want to do and what I personally fill out is the market cap. Okay, what the market cap means, that means that equals to the total dollar market value of all of the company's outstanding shares. Okay, so that's the market cap. And for the market cap, I want it for the to plus small. Okay, over to be over 300 million. That's it for the market cap. I think that you already know the deal, as it says equals the total dollar market value of all the company's outstanding shares. So that's about it for the market cap. And then in this column, what we want to fill out next is the dividend yield. Okay, the dividend yield is basically the dividend yield equals the annual dividend per share divided by the stock's price. This measurement tells what percentage return a company pays out for the shareholders in the form of dividends. I sometimes leave it as any, but let's just go with none. Okay, none or 0%. We don't want companies that pay dividends in this. Okay, or I just go any because I don't like. Sometimes I don't fill it out. Okay, a lot of the times, and in this column, what we want to fill out, the next filter will be the last. I mean, the second last one, or it will be the price. What basically is the price? The price is the current stock price of the yeah of the stock, and the price will be under $40. Okay, you can also go under $20. If you go under $40, you will have a lot more stocks. Okay, and that's it, because if you go under 20, it will be more selective. You already know what's going on with that. In this second column right here, we don't want to fill anything. Okay, in this third one right here, what we want to fill out is we're going to be using the 200-day simple moving average. Okay, or the 200 SMA. Basically, the 200 simple moving average, if it's of a closing price, is the mean of the previous 200 days closing prices. Okay, and it kind of gives you the average of them 200 days closing prices. Okay, so what we want to do here, for a price to be 10% above the SMA. So okay, there we want to be right here, to be above the estimate. So this would tells us that the 200 moving average is below the price, and that will indicate us that the price is in a bullish manner. Okay, that's what we want to hear right here, and what we want to do. You could also do something like this. Go on the 50 moving average, but we are only going to be using the 200-day moving or the 200-day simple moving average. Okay, that's it for the simple moving average. And what we want to fill out next in this column will be nothing, but we have some things that we want to fill in this column. Like, we don't have to do anything in this, but we need to do something right here. Okay, what we want to click on the RSI. What is the relative strength index 14? Basically, the relative strength index is a technical analysis oscillator showing price strength by comparing upward and downward close to close movements. So what we want to do right there is um, for it to be not over both, okay, to be just below 50. So we're going to click in it for it to not be the overbought, just like that. And like, you don't want it to be overbought nor oversold. So this is basically kind of a sweet middle, okay, just like that. And what do we want over the click right here will be the shares outstanding. So what does the shares outstanding mean? Basically, that means the shares outstanding. The shares outstanding represents the total number of shares issued by a corporation and held by its shareholders. Okay, so how many shares are held out there with the institutionals and retail traders? Or just over 1 million. This is what we want to have in a filter. So as you can see right here, we have 45 stocks at the moment, and that's basically all we need to have. Okay, First of all, I will go right here and go click on trading view because I want to really find out about these stocks, these companies. Okay, excuse me about that. But let's just go click on charts right here so we kind of have a decent understanding about the stocks and the charts, and go on candles, the type candles. Okay, let's go to the technical. More beautiful. Okay, so as to see here, we have some great stocks. I mean, it is always up to you. This does not mean that you should basically go trade or buy the best stock that is out there. I mean, like every single stock that is out here, that basically means you can just go and take a look from there on. Okay, and also this is in a great position. Maybe this could sell off. Also, this has been like kind of pushing to the downside, and right now it's pushing to the upside. Right here we have Avid Bioservices. This is in the biotechnology in the USA. Okay, this is in the USA too. The engineering and construction. This looks good. Okay, this company looks good. Here we have a lot of biotechnology companies. You see again, and a big portion of them are in the USA. Actually, this is in Luxembourg right here. You see a specialty business services. So okay, let's go take a look to the other side. Okay, so this right here looks good. This looks like EOLS. Okay, let's go take a look at EOLS. EOLS Evolus. Okay, common stock. Let's see what they basically do. Take a moment a little bit to the daily chart. And as we saw, we're kind of having the trend lines here and there. You feel me? So we are ready to break out all of the structure right here. So we're pretty close, and I think that this could be a great buy. Do not take my advice as granted, because this could also kind of sell out or do something like that. I mean, like what you will probably want to do is go and check out the stock itself. As we saw, like, let me just see that. This is a drug, okay, the drug manufacturers is in specialty and genetics in the USA. So EOLS. So we're going to be taking a look at that, basically what it means. So yeah. So as you can see here, we have Evolos. I don't know how is that the right name to pronounce it, but if you go on Yahoo Finance right here and see if you have some information about that, yeah, we have. Go on profile. That's like the simplest thing how I found what the company does. They are located in Canada, in a Newport Beach. This is their website. You can go and check it out too. So they say that Evolus or Evolos is a performance beauty company. It's a beauty company, provides medical aesthetic products for physicians and their patients in the United States. It offers a GVU, a priority 900 kilodalton perfect botulinum toxin type A formulation for the temporary improvements of the appearance of the moderate severe glabellar lines in adults. Okay, the company was founded in 2012 and is headquartered in Newport Beach, California. Okay, this is how their website looks like. So this could be a great buy. I mean, the stock is not that cheap. It's $10. I mean, it's still cheap. It's still a cheap stock, but yeah. I mean, this is their website. You can go check them out. Here we have the plastic surgeons. Okay, there's us, the specialists. Okay, here we have the aesthetics doctor, the Jennifer Teixeira. It's in Newport Beach. As you can see, 9 years of experience. The most experienced one is Sandra Evers. She has 19 years of experience, and she has the entry nose as topics, okay, in the plastic surgery. So that's about it for basically the company. Let me know what are your thoughts about it. And this is basically how you want to fill out the filter. You can just screenshot this or do something, whatever the fuck you want. And that's about it for today's video. So consider liking, subscribing if you find any kind of value. Go check my channel for more videos like this, and peace out and have a great day for the rest of your day. Bye.